Like the video and subscribe to our channel right now and get 1 week of amazing luck. As the top predators in the sky, birds of prey have very little chance of failure once they set their sights on their victim. Nevertheless, it happens. Have you ever seen a harpy eagle hunt a cheetah? What about a hawk? If you want to see some of the most powerful birds of prey in action, keep watching as we count down the top 30 outstanding hunting moments by birds of prey. Pelicans are among the vicious birds of prey that are being studied. The pelican is a huge bird with a long, sharp beak. Their primary diet consists of fish, although they also occasionally consume small mammals, birds, and amphibians like turtles. That they could consistently consume prey the size of their beak was unbelievable. They have such a terrible eating habit that they will eat their prey while it is still alive. Then, by shaking their necks, they gradually press their prey into their stomachs. Mother pelicans use their beaks to totally pierce their throats in order to get food into their young. A throat sac that contains food and water is located beneath the pelican's long beak. While they may appear very awkward when on land, pelicans are incredibly nimble in the water. They are pretty special predators. Because they are gluttons, as soon as they capture their meal, they rise to the water's surface to feast on the fruits. The mother turtle assaulted this pelican when it attempted to hunt a small turtle, breaking its beak in the process. Without the beak to hunt, it wouldn't last very long. Sadly, a wounded pelican is stuck in a muddy puddle. Despite being hurt, it was able to withstand the lion's attack. With its long beak, the enraged pelican attacked the cat. Realizing right away that a group of ducks was feeding, the pelican moved forward to take aim at a little duck. The pelican parted his lips to take the tiny duck in his mouth. But immediately the pelican was attacked by the mother duck. The process of finding food is always a challenge for all predators. This big green heron is definitely hungry, so swallowing such a big fish happens very quickly. It's essential to make mistakes when hunting. Green heron are skilled hunters who can take down snakes as well as other creatures like rodents, frogs, and rabbits. Once the prey is captured, the green heron will take it to a place from which it cannot escape before killing and devouring it. Because of its extreme flexibility, the green heron can survive in practically any kind of setting. They hunt in shallow water a lot. The green heron is a nightmare for fishers since it appears like a life will perish each time it pecks into the water. The mother penguin tried her hardest to keep her chicks safe, but a clever predator attacked and attempted to take the mother out of the nest. The event that mother penguins feared the most has finally arrived. He felt agony as he witnessed his helpless son being engulfed by the predator. The video demonstrates that this bird killed someone brutally. It killed an innocent pigeon in the roadway by attacking it. It even attempts to gulp down its prey as widely as possible. The pelican parted his lips to take the tiny duck in his mouth. And in this clip, you can see how easily this heron eats a small kitten and swallows it in a single effort. Video of a brown skua attacking a hatching penguin. Mother penguins risk their lives fighting off predators to protect their unhatched eggs. Despite the constant attack, birds still manage to get the mother penguin's eggs. A fearless bird takes on an opponent several times its size. Maybe this snake has already invaded the nest and consumed every egg before. The formidable mother bird hits the snake's eyes repeatedly, making it unable for the snake to resist. This has demonstrated the ferocity of the natural world and the daily fights for survival. This bird is in full revenge mode. And the snake realizes its mistake. In this video, a sparrowhawk is constantly attacking and harassing a person. The region is trying hard to save itself, but we all know about the hawk grip. Other birds also tried hard, but I think the hawk was hungry and didn't want to leave this big prey. Hawk is the most lethal and dangerous animal. This bird never hesitates and takes big prey on a good day. If a hawk wants to attack, then assume 99% times the hawk gonna win the prize as food. And in this video, you can see you can't beat this hawk even in the air. Now let's talk about the eagle. The eagle can take any prey no matter what the size is. Just see how easily and fearlessly this eagle hunting this goat. Both prey and predator are falling from the cliff, but the best part is eagle is still holding the grip. These two eagles have captured a wolf and are holding it down until their handlers arrive to 113.5 to 133.66 remove it, which is not an easy task. Watch as a large eagle soars over a goat, catches it and then flies with it before dropping it to the ground and killing it. Then it's off to the races while the eagle feasts. This demonstrates how eagles evolved their strategy for hunting larger prey with less effort. This eagle targets the prey and swoops down on a goat perched on a cliff's edge. Both come crashing down uncontrollably. The eagle is crushed by the goat during the fall and lets go of it. It's possible that the eagle broke a wing during the fall, which could spell the end for the bird of prey. This golden eagle soars above a roe deer, its next meal. Despite the deer's best efforts, the eagle swoops in for the kill and clings to the deer's back. As the deer tries to flee for his life, the eagle's handler runs alongside the two animals. The eagle does an excellent job and successfully completes the task. This golden eagle has kidnapped a gosling and is returning it to the nest to feed its young. They both consumed the gosling while it is still alive. In this case, I suppose the adage, "one man's death is another man's bread," is true. This is the essence of nature. Now do you think this predator bird only targets small creatures? Now look at this video. The harpy eagle waits for hours for the food and what he hunts. Cubs of wild cheetah. Eagle just waited long for the perfect moment and hunted the not biggest but rare prey of his life.